Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to talk about the cell organelle, which is known as the powerhouse of the cell, which provides the energy to do all the work inside the cell, and that is the cell organelle, which is known as the mitochondria. So as we can see that this is the diagram of the mitochondria, and mitochondria is basically membrane bound. This here you can see that it is having the double membrane. So this is the double membrane bound cell organelle, which is found in almost all the eukaryotic cells, as well as it is responsible for basically the production of ATP, which is the energy currency of the cell. Okay. And then mitochondria, you must be knowing that it is also called chondrioplast, plasmosomes, as well as plastosomes also. And this is a structure which is first of all observed in a striated muscles which you can control, which are working according to your own will. They are known as striated muscles of the it is present inside the striated muscle of the insect, and moreover it was basically granular in structure, which was told by the Colliker in the year 1880. So he called them sarcosomes also. And when we are talking about the number of mitochondria which is present inside the cell, then you can see that maximum number is found in case of flight muscles, that is 5 lakhs in a flight muscle cells, and up to 50,000 in a giant amoeba, which is known as chaos, and basically these are 25 in human sperms, and 300 to 400 in case of kidney cells, and 1000 to 1600 of mitochondria are present inside the liver cells. When we are talking about the size of mitochondria, then the average size is 0.5 to 1 mm and length up to 1 to 10 micrometers. Then smallest size of mitochondria is present in case of yeast, which is 1 mm cube. Then largest size are found in case of oocytes of Rana pipiens and are nearly 20 to 40 micrometers. And the dye for staining mitochondria, the dye means basically the sort of stain or the color which can show you mitochondria inside the cell, and it is basically Janus B green, which can show you mitochondria. That is why the picture shown you in the this topic over here. It is green in color. And when we are talking about the structure, as you can see that this is a double membrane bound structure, and here the sort of liquid which is present inside the mitochondria is known as matrix, as well as it is having some granular structure which are stocked over this villi like structure, which is known as oxysomes or F1 particles, and this internal structure is known as intermembrane spaces. And here you can see that mitochondrial DNA is there. And one more thing is there ki mitochondria is having its own DNA. That is the reason they can produce mitochondria of their own type whenever required. And when we are talking about the membranes, then they do have outer membrane as well as inner membrane. So here you can see ribosomes are also present inside the mitochondria. When we are talking about the enzymes of mitochondria, then outer membrane, inner membrane, perimitochondrial spaces, inner matrix. These are basically the divisions which are present inside the mitochondria. When we are talking about the outer membrane, then outer membrane is basically having the monoamine oxidase enzyme, organophosphate, acyl transferase, phospholipidase A. So these are the enzymes which are present in the outer membrane. While talking about the inner membrane, then cytochrome B, C1, CA, these are the types which are present inside the inner membrane, as well as NAD, H, dehydrogenases, succinate dehydrogenases, ubiquinone, flavor proteins, ATPases are there. See, these are the enzymes which you have to learn. So perimitochondrial space when we are talking about, then adenylate kinase, nucleosidase, diphosphokinase are present in the perimitochondrial spaces. And next is inner matrix. When we are talking like the matrix which is present inside the mitochondria, it is having the pyruvate dehydrogenase, citrate synthetase, aconitase, isocitrate dehydrogenases, fumarases, ketoglutarase, dehydrogenase, malate dehydrogenase. These are the enzymes which are present inside the mitochondria. So among this category, you have to learn all the enzymes which are present inside the mitochondria. So this was all about the mitochondria.